Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to disable iCloud sync from unnecessary apps to save battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on Apple account, and now click on iCloud and click on see all. Here you can see all the apps which is synced to your iCloud. If you want to unsync, then simply disable this button. Simply disable these buttons. So this is the way to disable iCloud sync for unnecessary apps to save battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.